Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making the classic fizzy drink, the Tom Collins. The cocktail first appears in Harry Johnson's 1882 cocktail book, Harry Johnson's New and Improved Bartender's Manual. His version combined sugar, lemon or lime, broken ice, Old Tom gin, and club soda. But as you can probably tell by the slab of ice, we're going in a different direction. Starting with London Dry Gin, Beefeaters, Gordon's, Tanqueray, whatever tickles your fancy, fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is a huge part of the flavor of this drink, as we're basically making boozy lemonade, rich simple syrup, and lastly, club soda, or whichever soda water you prefer. The Tom Collins is a crowd pleaser and a must know, so gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, skip the cocktail shaker and instead get a fizz or Collins glass, though shaking can make the gin softer, so to each their own. Then add a scoop of ice, or be fancy and use an ice spear. Next, your club soda. We'll be adding 1 to 2 ounces. Clearly Frozen's ice spear mold is well received, but if you got the patience, you can make it yourself like I did here. Get your go-to jigger. I prefer the OXO jigger for this recipe, as it has 1/3, 3/4, and 1.5 ounce markings, which are exactly my measurements for a Tom Collins when using this fizz glass. Start by measuring 1/3 of an ounce of rich simple syrup. If you're using regular syrup, use 1/2 ounce. Next, we'll be adding 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, the fresher the better. And lastly, 1.5 ounces of your London Dry Gin. If you want to follow the original recipe more closely, get some Old Tom gin. It's a bit softer, but I find this makes the gin disappear more, which I don't prefer. Get a straw and give the ice a few gentle bobs and a quick stir to help incorporate the ingredients, particularly that rich simple syrup that's settled. And top up with 1 to 2 ounces of club soda. Most of the time I'll use regular cube ice for this, but you can't beat the aesthetics of clear ice. Swab the rim of your glass with a lemon peel for some added fragrance. And then you may place it on the rim of your glass as a garnish, toss it, or you can drop it right in. I personally like the incorporation of the extra lemon oils. Let's give it a taste. A delicious, flavorful lemonade. You get the botanicals of the gin, a sharpness from the lemon, but that slight candied flavor from the rich simple syrup. The club soda makes the drink relatively light and refreshing, and since it packs some sodium, the flavors are cohesive and pop. This is what Smirnoff Ice pretends to be. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a go-to Tom Collins recipe? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.